Has your business ever had a situation where you have the same amount of customers going out as you have coming in? Even if you're keeping up and replacing lost customers, you're still losing money from all the upfront costs in setting up new business. Henry here has been trying to figure out this exact problem. The solution? Henry needs more knowledge about his customers and their needs. Let's look at another cleaning business owner who used to have a similar problem. Nicole used a paper notebook for employee time tracking and communication at each of her cleaning locations. She only heard from customers when there was a problem to fix, and customer complaints were usually the biggest clue that work wasn't getting done. Nicole saw the same kind of customer turnover that poor Henry deals with, but now she uses Janitorial Manager. With Janitorial Manager, Nicole was able to move away from paper communication and time tracking and use inspections and digital communication to keep up with her employees and her customers. Here's how. Janitorial Manager, or JM, uses GPS-based timekeeping to ensure that employees are clocking in and out near a specified location. JM also allows reporting on the amount of time spent at these locations, so Nicole knows that the right amount of time is being spent at the right places. The smartphone app that runs timekeeping also includes cleaning instructions, any required security procedures, and instant chat for employees and customers. JM's apps vastly improve Nicole's ability to know what's going on with her employees and to instantly see if there were subjects that need attention. The app has given her renewed confidence in the services she's able to provide. Janitorial Manager's customer portal tool has given Nicole an incredible amount of knowledge on how her customers are feeling about her service. Anytime a customer logs into their unique portal to submit a service request, Nicole gets alerted immediately and is able to get feedback directly from that customer on how satisfied they are. This is a window Nicole uses to not only help out with specific customer needs, but also to know about a concern or issue right at the beginning of that issue, rather than when it's the last straw for a departing customer. JM's inspection tools also give Nicole the ability to check her employees' work. JM's inspection app lets her inspectors review the work being done at a location, rate that work, and even add photos of the rooms in question to confirm that the quality of service provided by Nicole's company is high. Now that Nicole uses JM, she can see any trouble areas as they develop and make changes to communication, procedures, or even staff to prevent unnecessary customer loss. In addition to preventing customer loss with Janitorial Manager, Nicole is also preventing the loss of investment she makes in each new customer she's able to bring on. To learn more about Janitorial Manager, schedule a demo, and sign up for the program, head to janitorialmanager.com.